Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Code refactoring, a comprehensive tutorial with examples. Code refactoring is the process of restructuring existing computer code, improving its internal structure without changing its external behavior. It's not about adding new features or fixing bugs, it's about improving the code's design, readability, maintainability, and performance. Think of it as renovating a house. You're not building a new one, but you're making it more efficient, livable, and aesthetically pleasing. Why refactor? Refactoring is crucial for long-term software health. Neglecting it leads to increased technical debt. Poorly written code accumulates debt, making future development slower and more expensive. Reduced maintainability. Changes become harder to implement without introducing new bugs. Decreased readability. Code becomes difficult to understand, hindering collaboration and knowledge sharing. Lower performance. Inefficient code can impact application speed and resource consumption. Increased bug probability. Complex, poorly structured code is more prone to errors. When to refactor? You should refactor when adding a new feature reveals design flaws. If you struggle to add a new feature because of the existing code structure, it's a strong indication to refactor. Code is duplicated. Repeating code is a major red flag. Refactor to extract the common logic into a reusable function or class. Code is hard to understand. If you or others find it difficult to grasp the code's logic, refactor to improve readability. Code is inefficient. If performance testing reveals bottlenecks, refactor to optimize the code. You're feeling frustrated. If you're struggling with the existing code, take a step back and refactor to make it more manageable. Refactoring techniques, with examples in Python. Let's illustrate some common refactoring techniques with examples. We'll start with a poorly written function and progressively improve it. Initial code, bad example. 1. Extract method ***. The calculate total price function can be further broken down. 2. Introduce parameter object ***. Instead of passing multiple individual parameters, group related data into a class. 3. Replace conditional with polymorphism, advanced for more complex scenarios with many discount types. Polymorphism provides a more elegant solution. This example demonstrates a basic concept. Real-world applications would involve more elaborate class structures and discount strategies. These are just a few examples. Many other refactoring techniques exist, including rename method / variable * improve clarity by using more descriptive names. Move method / field * relocate code to a more appropriate class. Inline method / variable * remove unnecessary small methods or variables. Pull up / push down method / field * move method / fields between classes in an inheritance hierarchy. Extract class / interface * break down large classes into smaller, more focused ones. Replace temp with query * replace temporary variables with method calls. Consolidate conditional expression * simplify nested if-else statements. Tools for refactoring *. Most modern IDEs, integrated development environments, provide built-in support for refactoring, automating many of these techniques. For example, IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, Visual Studio, and PyCharm offer powerful refactoring capabilities. Conclusion *. Refactoring is an essential skill for any software developer. It improves code quality, reduces technical debt, and promotes long-term maintainability and scalability. By consistently applying refactoring techniques, you can build more robust, reliable, and understandable software. Remember that refactoring is an iterative process. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on small, incremental changes, and test thoroughly after each step.